Okay, we'll start by clicking File, New, Blank Presentation, Create One, Enter. I don't need the first one. Click, and over here I went to the website Bing, right click, copy image, go back to the project, right click, paste it. If it does not appear, you can go to the leftmost icon, paste special, choose bitmap, and here it comes. Okay, now you need two images for the fading effect. First you will use black and white, and right above the black and white you have to put the colored image. So I'm going to copy and paste the same image again. They have to be same size. Okay, and the previous one should be the black and white. For that I'll click format. In the format I'll click color. In the recolor option I'll choose grayscale. It's black and white now. I put this picture right above the black and white. I'll click this and I'll go to the animations and I will choose fade one, and then I will set few properties over here. The duration I want should be not less than 6, and it should not be on click. After previous. After previous means previous will be the black and white one. After previous one is loaded and done, then load this one automatically. So let's check this one, and I'm going to play the slideshow. It gives a little blur kind of image in the beginning. It's just because the picture is not equal. It has to be just like aligned with the picture behind. It has to be aligned nicely. Let's check this out again. It's much better. Okay, this is how we can use fading effect, fading animation using black and white picture and the color.